Hello everyone, my name is Wilson. I'm 12 this year. I'm in grade 7 at Rangya Secondary School. Today I present about the topic three-dimensional figure. Now let's listen. Let's move to our first branch about 3D figures. 3D figures, also called as three-dimensional figures, are the shapes which have three-dimensional, the length, width, and the height. Unlike to the figures which are fat and only have the width and the length, 3D figures not only have the width and length but also have the height, depth, and occupy. Let's move to our next branch about the examples of 3D figures. So around us there are a lot of kinds of 3D figures. Every shape can draw to be a 3D shape. Like the like for example, we will have the cube. When it turn into we have the square. When we turn into the 3D figures form, it will turn into a cube. Next is the rectangle, and the rectangle turn into the 3D forms is rectangular prism. So let's talk about the different. We talk about detail with each shapes. First, the 3D figures is the cube. So the cube has six equal sizes, six equal squares, and the examples kind of the cube is the dice we play on the board, and we it is the shape of the cube. The next shape is the 3D figures is the sphere. The sphere is a round shapes. For example, like the ball we play every day. The football, yeah, it is the shape of the sphere. Next is the cylinder. The cylinder is the has two circular shapes. Like it means that there are two circles at the bottom of the and the top. Then these two circles are connected with the curved surface. Next is the cone. The cone is a circular base. It means that it have one circle at the bottom of the shape, and then they will connect it into the pointed top. The example of cone we can see is that the birthday hat we wear during our birthday parties. Next is the rectangular prisms. The rectangular prisms have like the cube. It has six equal sizes, but not six squares, but now it's six rectangle. And a fun fact about it is the cube is a rectangular prism, but it is just the special shape of the rectangular prisms, which all sides are equal. Let's move to our third branch is the volume of rectangular prisms. So how can we find the volume of rectangular prisms? So to find the volume of the rectangular prisms, we will have the length. We will have the length multiply by the width and the height. So I will show you the step-by-step process of finding the volume of rectangular prisms. So to find the volume of rectangular prisms, we need to identify the length, the width, and the height first. And we need to make sure that they are in the same unit. Like centimeters, we need to make sure it's just all of them are in centimeters. Next, we can use the formula is the length multiplied by width and height to find the volume of the rectangular prism. So that's all you need to do to find the volume of it. Next, I will find the volume of the triangle prisms. So we have the formula is the base area multiplied by length. on the rectangular prisms there aren't any width length anymore, so we just have to find the base area by multiplied by length. First, we the step by progress have two steps. First step is we need to find the area of the base. So what is the area of the base? The area of the space is the area at the bottom of the triangular prisms. So how to find that? We just need to find the length and the width of that rectangular and find the the area of it. And the second step is when we have already found the area of the base, we just need to apply the formula. We use the area of the base multiplied by the length, and then we'll have the volume of triangular prisms. So I just told you about three-dimensional figures. I hope you learned something from my presentation today. Goodbye everyone, see you next time. Bye bye.